Hello, my fellow friends. Here we go again, doing some art. And today we're going to do something about a really typical and important Brazilian fest, Brazilian party. Festa Junina. Festa Junina is a typical Brazilian party, and it's difficult to have like a really good translation in English. We can say Feast of Saint John because Saint John is one of the main saints that we celebrate. Some people say they actually celebrate in June. That's why some people could translate as June parties or June fest, okay? Country parties, country fests, country festivals. Feast of Saint John. Some people say Feast of Saint John, as I told you, because we have something really important about these parties. Food. Lots of food. But let's do something about Festa Junina. And talking about feast, we're going to do bandeirinhas, but also we're going to do something decorating things for our typical foods. But let's see the materials we're going to use for this. We're not going to buy anything. We're going to use materials that you have at home. Recycling materials, right? And even disposable materials that might be recycling, such as packages, like yogurt packages, plastic cups, these styrofoam trays, the disposable recycling trays, stuff like this, different colors and cardboards and pieces of actually packages, right, embalagens. Ruler, fabric, if you have, if you don't, no problem, but I'm going to use some fabric. I have like some ribbons from some gift that somebody gave me. Oh, and also glue, tapes, scissors, markers, even paints if you want. Any materials you can use to build this. All right, so let's do it. Brazilian flags from Festa Junina. The little flags. Some people can say like little banners, country banners, bandeirinhas. Okay, to do our flags, we're going to use any kind of materials and even these trays here, okay? They are made by styrofoam. This one is kind of square. Maybe you have like that rectangle ones, as I'm going to show you right now, this one. Styrofoam trays or polystyrene trays, that's the right name for this, but I'm going to use this one to do this. Okay. I'm going to measure the middle of this. Again, if you have that trays that's kind of rectangle, it's even better, right? So I have the shape here. I just have to cut. That could be a template to do another ones, right? Use this to make different ones here. Different sizes, different flags. It's like metallic package, chocolate metallic packaging. And there you go, right? Then you can do a lot of things like this and decorate your whole house if you have a festa junina with your parents. Like I have this one, and I can keep doing all of this. But now, beside this, let's do something with the typical foods. We have like pipoca, paçoca, arroz doce, canjica. This, see, canjica, a lot of canjica to do festa junina, yes, nice. This pot, I'm gonna take that label. I don't need this anymore. I have that pot where later on I'm gonna put like the canjica. I need some fabric. I can use other materials like this, right? Plastics. Styrofoam again. Cutter, glue, can be any white glue or different kind of glue. So I'm gonna use this one. It's cola artesanato, it's really cool one. Ribbons again. Some piece of things. I'm gonna use that tray. An orange. That's gonna be its head to make like fun at the same time. And close. Right? Let's do it. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller because it's too tall to be a hat, right? Okay. It's gonna help me later on. All right.
Pedi numa oração ao querido São João que me desse um matrimônio. São João disse que não, São João disse que não, isso é lá com Santo Antônio. Implorei a São João, desse ao menos um cartão que eu levava a Santo Antônio. São João ficou zangado, São João só dá cartão com direito a batizar.
Okay. Right, this one is gonna be kind of blue for the pants, this one for the shirt. And this is gonna be the hat brim. You know the brim? A aba do chapéu. The brim hat.
pedindo uma oração ao querido São João que me desse um matrimônio. São João disse que não, São João disse que não, isso é lá com Santo Antônio.
Here it is, our Festa Junina, or Little Festa Junina, or Little St. John Feast, or Feast of St. John. Mas é melhor em português que a festa é só nossa, né, gente? É a festa de São João, a festa junina. It's really cool thing to do. And now I'm gonna eat my canjica. Right here inside of my little man, caipirinha, a green caipirinha man. Hello guys, how you doing? So, canjica. Very one. See you next lesson. Não fala com a boca cheia. Bye bye guys.